Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to join Wealth Group using crypto through Coinbase Commerce on Whop. Step 1 is to search Whop in Google. You're going to want to click into Whop here. Now once inside of Whop, go to the top and put Wealth Group in the search bar with a space between the two words. Click on the Wealth Group section here, and by default it's going to show credit card, but we're going to switch that to crypto. Now you can choose your membership length. We have 1 month, 6 months, or 1 full year. Click join. Now it will open up this page here and put in your email. Now an important thing to note is that payments can take up to 2 hours to process. Click join and then type in the confirmation code sent to your email. Next, select complete with Coinbase Commerce. You'll see multiple options: Coinbase, Coinbase Wallet, Smart Wallet, MetaMask, or QR code. For this example, we'll use MetaMask. Now choose your network. There's Base, Polygon, or Ethereum. We'll use Polygon since fees are the lowest. You also want to choose your payment asset, and we will use USDT. Next, approve the USDT spending limit. And once it's sent, sign the transaction and the status will change from unpaid to paid. Remember, Whop takes about 2 hours to process. When it's ready, you'll get an email. Click the Access Wealth Group hot link from the email. Fill in your profile, name, username, birthday, photo, and you'll be redirected back to the Wealth Group Whop page. In the upper right, click the Open Wealth Group button. Then click Connect Account. From there, authorize Whop to connect to your Discord. Confirm your Discord username and click Claim Access. And that's it. Welcome to Wealth Group.